Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having corrupted icons or shortcuts on your desktop on Windows 11. So if the images are not loading properly, or perhaps they just have white icons and they don't actually have an icon, they just appear as a white file. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up File Explorer. So you can either select the File Explorer icon on your taskbar or you can search for it in the Start menu. And you want to select this PC on the left side. Double click on your drive where Windows is installed. Select the Users folder and then double click on your user account name. In my case it's just computer user, but it'll probably be your name. So just go ahead and double click on that. And then you want to look for the app data folder. If you don't see one in here, you're going to have to select the view up at the top and then select show, and then where it says hidden items, select that, and now there should be an app data folder that will appear. Double click on it, double click on the local folder, and there should be an icon cache file in here. You want to go ahead and right click on that, and you want to delete it, so select the trash can icon, or you can select delete on your keyboard. So once you're done with that, you want to go close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. So I'm just going to right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then restart. You could do a complete shutdown and restart, that's fine as well, but just give it a moment here. So there you go guys, hopefully I was able to resolve your problem, and as always thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.